Well, if you have been updated with the latest tech news and happenings, then you might know that Google recently launched the latest version of its mobile operating system, Android 11. As of now, Android 11 is only available for Pixel, Xiaomi, OnePlus smartphones. The good news is that you can enjoy all these features on a non-Android 11 smartphone by installing third-party apps. There are a ton of apps available on the Play Store that helps to get Android 11 features on older versions of Android. So, in today's video, we are going to share a few best apps that bring the latest Android 11 features on any Android device. If you are amongst those users who clears all Android notifications without even looking at it, then you would like this new feature. Android 11 has a new notification history page that lets you look back at the dismissed notifications for up to 24 hours. You can get the same feature on the older version of Android by installing the Notification History Log Android app. Well, if you use Facebook Messenger on Android, then the concept of chat bubbles might not be new to you. Android 11 opens all app conversations in a floating bubble that you can move around your screen. You can get a similar feature on the older version of Android by using the Direct Chat Android app. Along with all other features, Android 11 also introduced a new Media Control UI. The new Media Control UI appears right next to the other settings in Android's pull-down quick setting shade. If you want to enjoy the Android 11's Media Controls UI on your Android, then you need to use the Power Shade Android app. Android 11 also lets you schedule the dark mode. That means you can schedule your phone to use dark mode at night and light mode in the morning. The feature is not available even on the previous version of Android, Android 10. However, you can get the same feature on an older version of Android by using the Dark Mode app. Even if your phone doesn't have a dark mode, you can still get it by using this app. Also, it forces dark mode on third-party apps. So that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one.